What is the meaning of the word Hydra as a noun? Greek mythology, monster with 9 heads. When struck off, each head was replaced by 2 new ones. A long faint constellation in the southern hemisphere near the equator stretching between Virgo and Cancer. Trouble that cannot be overcome by a single effort, because of its many aspects or its persistent and pervasive quality. Small tubular solitary freshwater hydrozoan polyp. Examples of use. Hydra was slain by Hercules. We may be facing a Hydra that defies any easy solution. Hydra is spelled H-Y-D-R-A. Hydra